Back on another video, man. I found my memory card, so this is gonna be a good video, man. This is gonna be a high quality video. Going back to my old ways, with the high quality. But I've been wolfing for 3 weeks. This is me combing back my hair to show you how long it is. My hair is really, really, really healthy, really, really shiny, and that's because of the products I've been using, man. If you want to go see the products, go check out my older videos. But yeah, man, and I use the same products. I've been using a lot more sporting waves too, just to let you guys know I have been using that. That's been helping me out with connections and everything. And I've also been using the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo. Man, this product is fire. Please screenshot this and buy this. If you're watching this video, screenshot this thing right now. Buy it. I think it's like $8. It's worth it. I don't even gotta say how much it is. Just go check it out because I don't recommend bad products. Like, the products is fire. Only thing it smells like cologne. It smells like a cologne scent. So I don't know if your girl watching this, but that may, you might want to smell it before you get it. But good product, great ingredients. I'm telling you, this is why my hair is probably so shiny. And I don't have any dandruff, so that's also a plus. But yeah, man, for woofing for this long, woofing for 3 weeks, it's been crazy. I've been unragging, not liking it. Liking it one day, not liking it the other day. And when we're woofing for 3 weeks, you have to wash your hair. Don't woof for 3 weeks and don't wash your hair. Like, make sure you're washing your hair. I go to the gym too, so I gotta wash my hair. Like, there's no getting around it. Like, I'm washing my hair. So the main thing is, I think the most difficult thing is when you're woofing and you wash your hair and your hair frizzes up. Your hair is either going to frizz up, your hair is going to be either extremely curly, or your hair is going to be laid down and the other side is going to be up, or it's going to overcurl, or it's going to do all of it. Mine did pretty much all of it, and the way I combated that was I shower brushed. Shower brushed helped me out for like the first week woofing, the second week woofing. Now, if I were to go longer, I would have to shower brush. I would recommend you do that to anyone trying to woof, is shower brush as much as you can and comb, like what I'm doing now. Greatest techniques ever. I've pretty much been loving it. But yeah, man, I just pretty much been just make sure my hair is healthy. That's another thing is like, you don't want to woof for too long. Your hair isn't as healthy as it could be. You don't want to woof and then have dry waves. It's just not gonna look great, man. Just really take heed to the products I'm telling you. It's because you do not want to woof and have dry hair, man. Like, you don't want to have dry waves. This is not what you want, especially if you're wearing a do-rag. Like, there's no need to wear a do-rag if you gonna have dry waves. Like, the do-rag helps you to retain moisture in your hair, so just remember that, and use natural products too. Another thing is hard and soft brushes. For me personally, I am a hard brush user, medium brush. Soft brush, maybe when I first get my hair cut, I like to use a soft brush, but honestly, it just does not pull my hair as much as I would like it to. But don't get me wrong, soft brushes work. My Torino Pro is great, but for me, for that pull, I need it, especially with my hair when it's like really curly or really frizzy, or when I don't put any products in, it's dry. Hard brush all the way. Combing is also a really, really big deal when woofing. I think people really don't scream this out loud to you. Is like, you have to comb so much. You have to comb your hair. I don't want to say you comb your hair until your scalp is bleeding, but comb as much as you can, man. Honestly, because you don't want to grow your hair out for this long and then hate the progress that you have. So comb your hair, man. Comb your waves. Comb them in the day. Comb them. Go to the restroom. Comb them out. Bring a mirror. If you gotta bring a mirror to school, bring a mirror to work. Do what you gotta do, man. Like, just really just focus on your progression, because when you're woofing, you're gonna continue to do this. Like, this isn't do this one time and you're done. Like, no, you're training your waves, so you're going to be doing this for like, if you want really good waves for the rest of your life, you're probably going to be doing this for the rest of your life. If you want really healthy hair, you're probably going to be doing this for a long time. This is a new method that you're going to be applying to your hair if you are trying to get 360 waves. But yeah, woofing isn't going anywhere. Like, everyone is going to woof for 360 waves if you want them. So that's pretty much all I've been doing. Honestly, it's just really sticking to my methods, not really switching up, and combing for those connections. I'm trying to get those beautiful rings. They're coming. I'm just trying to train my hair. And yeah, man, I just stay focused, man. Don't get discouraged. Just comb your hair. I'm saying that a lot, but just like really comb your hair so you're gonna be straight. And then use good products so your hair is shiny too. And that's pretty much it, man. Hopefully that helps you out. Like, if it did help you out, leave a comment. If you do like the video, like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, also like the video. And just make sure you leave me comments. Again, leave me comments, and I will see you in my next video. And yeah, thanks so much for watching.